Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zigbee2MQTT with Home Assistant step by step clearly. Ensure you have Home Assistant and Zigbee2MQTT installed on your system. Open your Home Assistant dashboard in a web browser. Navigate to the configuration settings in the sidebar. From the configuration menu, select Integrations. Click on the button labeled Add Integration at the bottom right corner. Search for MQTT in the list of available integrations. Select the MQTT integration from the search results. Enter the MQTT broker address, which is typically localhost if running on the same machine. Input the MQTT port number, usually set to 1883. If you have set up a username and password for your MQTT broker, enter those credentials. Once the information is filled in, click on Submit. After successful connection, you should see a confirmation message. Next, open your Zigbee2MQTT configuration file. Locate the MQTT section in the configuration file. Ensure the base_topic is set to a unique topic for your Zigbee devices. If required, input the same username and password as you provided during the MQTT setup. Save the changes to the Zigbee2MQTT configuration file. Restart Zigbee2MQTT to apply the new configuration. Go back to your Home Assistant dashboard. Navigate to the Developer Tools option in the sidebar. Select the Services tab to check if the MQTT services are available. Send a test message to the Zigbee2MQTT base topic to verify communication. Go back to the Integrations section to see if your Zigbee devices appear. Congratulations! Your Zigbee2MQTT is now authorized and ready to use with Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.